Yo, what's up Bali? How you guys doing? Apa kabar? And selamat pagi. A couple days ago, I received this document. Look, can you see it? This document is about the dependent kitas, like for your wife, your husband, your children, so they can stay for 1 year in Indonesia. Watch it until the end. My name is Hoki Mesa. I'm your host in Bali. Welcome to What's Up Bali channel, the number one channel for you to know how to go to Bali, how to live in Bali, and condition in Bali now. If you're interested on those, consider to subscribe. Guys, this video is all about the dependent kitas, or some people call it family kitas. Now, first of all, what is dependent kitas? Dependent kitas is a limited staying permit for your immediate family, so they can stay at least 1 year with you together in Indonesia. Now, who can get these dependent kitas, these family kitas? First, the spouse, like your wife, your husband. Of course, for that, you have to show marriage certificate. If it's not in English, then need to be translated by sworn translator. Number 2, children who still below 18 years old. For this one, you need to submit their birth certificate. Again, if not in English, then need to be translated by sworn translator. Number 3, the parents. Yes, parents. Parents also can get dependent kitas. For that, you have to show your birth certificate as a proof that they're your parents. And number 4, siblings. Yes, your sibling also can get family kitas or dependent kitas if they're still below 18 years old. For that one, both of you must submit your both birth certificate, so they are proof that both of your parents is the same. Now, who can sponsor you? Who can be the main kitas for you to get the dependent kitas? First, local. Yes, if you married with the local, if you married with Indonesian, you can apply for dependent kitas. As I mentioned earlier, you have to show your marriage certificates. It doesn't matter if you married outside Indonesia or you married right here in Indonesia. And number 2, the foreigners. Foreigners who already have a kitas, the temporary staying permit. If you who already have a kitas, then you can sponsor your immediate family, your wife, your husband, your children, your parents, even your sibling, if it's still under 18 years old, to get the dependent kitas. Now I'm gonna tell you which kitas can be the main kitas to get the dependent kitas, to get the family kitas. First one, working kitas. For you who already got working kitas, you can sponsor your immediate family to get the family kitas. Working kitas index is E23. Number 2, experts kitas. It's for the experts. You know, if they have some project which is recognized also by the government, they can get the expert kitas. And they can also sponsor their immediate family. Number 3, religious kitas for religious project, religious mission. Number 4, the investment kitas. You know, for those, the shareholders of the PTPMA, they can sponsor their immediate family to go with them and stay right here in Indonesia. And then the scientific research activity kitas, for those who do the research right here in Indonesia. And then the student kitas. So for you who are already more than 18 years old and go to the college here, to the university here, maybe for master degree, I don't know, you can sponsor your immediate family. And then diaspora kitas, that for people who used to be an Indonesian citizen, they can get these kitas. And then the second, home visa. As I mentioned in my previous video, in this video, they can also sponsor their immediate family to get the family kitas. And then most of the golden visas, from E28B all the way to F, 28F. Those who are already explained here, they can also sponsor their immediate family. And then the retirement kitas, for people who are already over 60 years old, they also can sponsor their immediate family. For example, if you already more than 60 years old, but your wife not yet 60 years old, you can go with the retirement kitas and then you can sponsor your wife to get dependent kitas. And then the medical treatment kitas. For you who do medical treatment right here in Bali, as you know, there's a good international hospital being built now in Sanur. You can also sponsor your immediate family to come here in Bali and be with you while you're doing your treatment. And then join vessel or drilling kitas. For you who work in our company offshore, they can sponsor their immediate family too. That's it. That's all. That's all the KITAs that can sponsor their immediate family to get dependent KITAs. Wait, okay, there is no remote worker or digital nomad KITAs there, the E33G. Unfortunately, yes, start of middle of last week, the digital nomad KITAs, the E33G remote worker KITAs no longer can sponsor their immediate family to get dependent KITAs. So sorry. Wait, what? Yep. How about those who already got the dependent KITAs sponsored by digital nomad KITAs? No worries, no worries. For you who already have dependent KITAs sponsored by digital nomad KITAs, the E33G, your KITAs still works. You can still use that KITAs to enter Indonesia, to stay in Indonesia for 1 year, and you can also back and forward during that period. So yes, your dependent KITAs still valid, even though now cannot anymore. So this rule is for the new applicant. For those who already have it, you can use it, but you cannot extend it later on. This is the last time you can use dependent KITAs sponsored by the E33G remote worker KITAs. From now, today, until they change it again, you cannot get dependent KITAs sponsored by E33G remote worker KITAs, the digital nomad. No more. Sorry. So that's all from now. So check out our website, the visa2bali.com. Also mention it down in the description. This is our website, visa2bali.com. This is if you open it in laptop. You see there's a home, visa, KITAs, legal service, about us, and contact us. If you choose visa and KITAs, there's a visa, KITAs, or extension. Let's say you choose visa. And there's a visa on arrival, single entry visa, and multiple entry visa. Let's say you choose multiple entry visa. There you go. This is our multiple entry visa. We got multiple entry tourist visa D1 or the D12, which allow you to stay straight 180 days. You can click to apply or contact me. Now, let's check the legal service. Click legal service. There's company formation. Let's check that one. And there's a PTPMA. This is for you who want to do business in Indonesia. All you need just click that. There you go. This is all the explanation about the PTPMA, the limited liability company for foreign investment. This is the price, and I can click to apply. That's it. If you want to know about us, just click about us. And this is about us. This is where we are located, WhatsApp Bali. See? And this is our group. Let's say if you use handphone, this is if you open the website using your handphones. So you see there's on the top right corner, there's a dot there, like a square. Click that. And there's a visa and KITAs, visa, KITAs, KITAs extension, legal service, etc. Let's say you choose KITAs. So click here, and there's remote worker KITAs, etc. If you choose remote worker KITAs, then there you go. You can click to apply or send me WhatsApp. Anyway, hit the subscribe button for those who haven't and smash notification bell so you won't miss any update from me regarding how to go to Bali, how to live in Bali, and condition in Bali now. My name is Oki Mirza. I see you in WhatsApp Bali Coffee Shop up in Ubud. Bye bye.